Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is of course the look at the cumulative update that was released yesterday, May the 1st, 2019. If you are on the October 2018 update, and this is only for the October 2018 update, you had a cumulative update that was released yesterday, Tuesday, May 1st. If you're on Windows Server 2019, you also got an update. So basically, what happened is you got KB 4501835. It is bug fixes only, and it actually will bring your version of the October 2018 update to 17.763.439. So only, as we've seen, only about 30% of you guys out there have this, but still, it's 1/3. And if you were wondering what that cumulative update that showed up is all about, well, it fixes kind of a lot of little problems, including problems with the date and time setting controls and stuff. And there's some Japanese stuff fixed. There's also clock calendar flyout display problems. And not really big fixes, honestly. When I look at what's being fixed here, there's really nothing much, but it's it's there. And if your PC is running fine, you don't really need this update. It isn't required. It's only bug fixes and really minor bugs when I look at the list. For those that wonder, a couple of people have been asking me, saying there are times I get the monthly security patch Tuesday updates. But sometimes when you talk about one of those updates, and I know it's for my system, it doesn't show up, and I'm kind of wondering what's happening. And one of the things that I got to say here is that the know that even if your updates, for example, if you're in the October 2018 update, if this update doesn't show up, and you do get Patch Tuesday updates that will be issued on the 14th of May this year, um, it doesn't matter, because remember that the cumulative updates all add what's missing. So if you have cumulative updates for security on Patch Tuesday, if you were missing previous updates, you still get those updates in that package. So they install anyways. So don't worry too much, and especially for bug fixing updates. If your PC is running fine, there's no problem there. So yes, October 2018 update, only version 1809. All other versions of Windows, you guys had updates last week. So nothing new. And not just, bug fixing stuff. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.